Let's start with a simple thought. Every organization today talks about digital transformation. But the real question is, what actually drives it? Is it AI? Is it automation? Is it analytics? Or is it process improvement? In this section, we are going to decode these concepts in a very simple way, so that as leaders, you don't just hear these buzzwords, but truly understand how they work together to transform a business. Imagine a company trying to improve its operations. The leadership team hears terms like AI, automation, analytics, but they often mix them up. Because of this confusion, they invest in tools, but don't see real transformation. Now let's simplify. First comes RPA, robotic process automation. Think of it as a digital worker that follows rules. For example, in banking, KYC processing, copying data, validating fields, these are repetitive tasks. RPA handles them perfectly. But remember, RPA does not think. It only executes what you tell it. Now let's move forward in our story. Once processes are automated, leaders start asking, what insights can we get from our data? This is where analytics comes in. Analytics helps you understand what is happening through dashboards, reports, and trends. But here's the catch, it explains the past and present, not the future. Then comes BPM, Business Process Management. BPM is about improving the process itself. For example, instead of just automating a bad workflow, BPM redesigns it to make it faster, more efficient, and customer-friendly. So now we have automation. And now comes the most powerful layer, artificial intelligence. AI doesn't just follow rules or show data, it learns from data. It predicts outcomes and even makes decisions. For example, fraud detection systems in banks don't just process transactions, they identify suspicious patterns. Demand forecasting systems don't just show past sales, they predict future demand. So now, let's summarize everything clearly. RPA executes tasks. Analytics explains data. BPM optimizes processes. AI makes decisions. This is the real hierarchy of digital transformation. Now let's look at this from a leadership perspective. Every organization asks, where do we stand in AI adoption? Think of AI maturity as a journey with 5 stages. Awareness, you are just understanding AI basics. Experimentation, you start small pilot projects. Adoption, AI is used in specific functions. Integration, AI is used across departments. Transformation, AI becomes part of your business DNA. Most companies are stuck in stages 1 or 2. Very few reach true transformation. Your goal as a leader is to move step by step, not jump blindly. Let's close this story with a real-world perspective. In BFSI, organizations moved from simple dashboards to predictive risk models. In manufacturing, companies moved from manual processes to predictive maintenance systems. What enabled this shift? Not just one technology, but a combination of automation plus analytics plus process excellence plus AI. And here is the most important takeaway. AI maturity is not a one-time project, it is a journey. Digital transformation happens when you bring intelligence into your processes, not just technology.